Hello again. Today we're going to draw a cute little kitten, and it's going to be in the style of kawaii. Kawaii means really cute in Japanese, and I personally like to draw these. So first things you need are paper and pencil and an eraser. Once you've got those things, go ahead and put them out. We're going to start in the center of our paper. We're going to make a nice round oval shape. And when we're drawing, I want you to make sure that you're holding your pencil in the middle. I don't want you to hold your pencil down close, because when you hold it down close, you put a lot of pressure, and that pressure makes your line very dark. When we start a picture, a drawing, a sketch, we always want to start with a sketch. So we want to start with our fingers in the middle of the pencil, and this is going to help us get a nice, soft, and thin line. All right, so in the center, I want you to draw a nice, round oval. So there we go. And I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to make a slightly bigger round oval right underneath it. And going to be just slightly bigger, a little bit more round. Okay, so I've got two on top of each other. Now the reason why I asked you to sketch these lines is because we're going to need to erase. So right in that middle, I want you to erase the middle part of the line. So we're not going to erase the ends, we're just going to erase the middle part. And go ahead and brush those eraser markings away. And let's add two triangles to the top corners of our oval. And these are going to act as our little ears. All right, so I've got one triangle there and another triangle there. Now, if you're not happy with them, it's okay to erase. You can fix them. You can try to put them in a different location. And we've got two ears. All right, so next up, we're going to erase those lines that are inside the ear. All right, and we're going to add some details around, and we're going to make this like a striped kitty. So I'm going to make some long upside down triangles, and they're going to be kind of different sizes. These are going to make it look like it's got stripes. And on the side, I'm going to create some other triangles, but they're going to be a little bit curved in. And the reason why I'm making them curved is so that the face will start to look a little bit more round and it won't look so flat. I'm going to do the same thing on the body. I'm going to make those curved triangles, and it might take a little bit of practice to make these curved triangles. That's okay. They're a little tricky at first. I've been doing art for a very long time, very, very long time. I started when I was probably about in first or second grade. So I continued and kept on doing art all through college, and now I teach it to kids. All right, so we've got our stripes, and we are going to add two little U's to the bottom. It's going to be his little paws. And I'm going to also put a little curvy line right there. And we're going to give him a face. So I'm going to start with a little triangle upside down. And I'm going to put a curved line to the side and a curved line to the other side. And then for his eyes, because I'm doing kawaii, which means very cute, I'm going to make little half rainbow shapes on top. So it'll look like he's smiling. And then, of course, he's going to need a cute little tail off to the side, and we can add some triangles to that. And there, on his little paws, I'm going to put two little lines to draw his little paws. And there you've got a cute little kawaii kitty. All right, hope you had fun.